Welcome back to NG Auto Review. Today we're taking a closer look at the bold and aggressive 2026 Nissan NISMO Patrol. This isn't just another SUV, it's a statement from Nissan, combining muscular off-road heritage with performance upgrades from the NISMO division. Starting from the outside, the NISMO Patrol looks absolutely menacing. The front fascia is more aerodynamic than ever, with a redesigned grille finished in gloss black, flanked by sharp LED headlights and signature red accents that scream performance. The bumper's been reshaped for better airflow, and the whole body sits slightly lower, hugging 22-inch alloy wheels wrapped in high-performance tires. Side skirts, a sculpted rear diffuser, and a roof spoiler complete the look, all with that signature NISMO styling. This SUV turns heads whether it's crawling over rocks or cruising city streets. Under the hood, the 2026 Patrol NISMO is powered by a tuned 5.6-liter V8 engine pushing out 428 horsepower and 413 lb-ft of torque. That's a noticeable boost over the standard Patrol, and it's paired with a refined 7-speed automatic transmission. The gear shifts are sharper, and the throttle response has been recalibrated to give a more immediate, connected feel. Thanks to a sport-tuned suspension and upgraded brakes, it handles surprisingly well for its size. Whether you're launching from a standstill or overtaking on the highway, this beast delivers. Inside, Nissan didn't hold back. The cabin blends rugged capability with luxury. Red-stitched leather seats with enhanced bolstering, carbon fiber trim, and Alcantara inserts give it a premium, sporty vibe. The digital instrument cluster is crisp and customizable, while the infotainment system features a large 12.3-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Rear passengers also get their own entertainment screens and climate controls, making this a great family vehicle, if your family likes power. When it comes to price, the 2026 Nissan NISMO Patrol starts around $94,000, depending on your market and options. That's a premium over the standard Patrol, but you're paying for performance, exclusivity, and top-tier design. It's a serious alternative to the likes of the Range Rover Sport or even the BMW X7 M60i, especially if off-road credibility still matters to you. Thanks for watching NG Auto Review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if you take the NISMO Patrol over its European rivals.